Welcome back to Cash Management Quick Tips. Today, we're going to be looking at how to add a logo to your checks. This is not the same as when you go to your company setup and add the logo that you see in Intacct. This is separate for two reasons. One, the size requirements are different for the Intacct company logo versus the check logo. And two, you can have as many logos as you have checking accounts. So if you have different entities, you can have each entity's logo on their individual checks. So as always, we're starting in cash management. You can do this in setup or in all. We'll go to our checking accounts here. You'll want to edit this and go over to the check printing tab. This works on both pre-printed check stock and blank check stock. You'll want to check this box here to upload your logo and have that print on your check. And then we'll see that required size is within 50 by 50 pixels. So I'll open up my logo here, and this is just the Microsoft Photo Viewer. And you can see here that it's 2000 by 2000-ish pixels, and that's too big. So we'll click the three dots and we'll hit resize image. And we'll do 50 by 50-ish because it's keeping the same ratios here. And then we'll want this as high of quality as we can. And we'll hit save. This is just going to save a new image here. And we'll do small. So that's now been saved. And minimize this. And we'll choose our file. And a quick side note, if you have a transparent background and it's not quite square like mine is, if you do the transparent background and upload it, you will get this black bar around it. So I suggest always doing a white background because that won't show on your checks. So I'll select the small one we just made and hit upload. So if we hop back over here, there's our logo. And to see any changes that you've made in the check printing setup on the preview, you have to save and then come back into the editing screen to preview the changes you've made. So down here in print settings, we'll hit print. And there's our check with our logo on it. Let us know down in the comments if you have any questions. Thank you, and I'll catch you in the next video.